Not sure if this was supposed to be the starting point of the Meringue Warrior tonight, but it apparently has turned out to be. We are in Vilanova, Geltrú. It's the Carnival 2012, and this is La Merengada, La Merengada Nit, La Merengada dels Adults. So the Meringue battle war between grown-ups. A similar thing has taken place for the children earlier today in the afternoon. That event has a tendency to be quite wild, since some children can't stop bringing eggs, or even worse, boiled eggs or frozen eggs. So on some occasions there have been shop windows being broken and well, other less nice consequences. But here we are in the middle of the night. This starts at midnight. Here comes another team at the other side of the square in a big war tower. This is, as you see, it's a very sort of civilized event, since people tend to focus on those who are in the square, those who want to participate, and at least as a general rule, leave the rest of us outside, which I'm very happy for. We're also fortunate this time that, although we've had very cold temperatures during the last few weeks, today the thermometer's gone up, and that makes it a lot nicer for those who take part in this. Just imagine walking home in temperatures, well, not below zero, but at least close to zero, because we can have that here even on the Mediterranean coast in Catalonia. I've been there and it's not nice at all. So this is the Merengada dels Adults in Vilanova, Geltrú, Catalonia, 2012.